Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball on Steam offline. First, you'll want to launch Steam in offline mode. This is a crucial initial step to ensure the game recognizes your offline status. Before going offline, make sure your eFootball game is completely updated. This prevents any issues with missing files or patches. Once updated, you can then disconnect your internet connection, preparing for an uninterrupted offline gaming experience. Once you're successfully in offline mode, you can access several engaging game types. The primary offline option is the exhibition match, allowing you to play against the computer's artificial intelligence. This is perfect for quick games or practicing new tactics. Additionally, the training mode is fully available, providing a dedicated space to improve your dribbling, passing, and shooting without any online distractions. These modes offer a robust single-player experience. When playing offline, it's important to remember that certain online-only features, such as the popular Dream Team mode, will not be accessible. Your progress in these modes is tied to online servers. Always ensure your game data is saved locally on your computer to prevent any loss of progress. Also, confirm your personal computer meets the minimum system requirements for eFootball to ensure smooth gameplay without internet dependency. These steps help guarantee a seamless offline session. Playing eFootball offline offers unique advantages. You can practice new strategies and formations without the pressure of online competition, allowing you to experiment freely. Enjoy incredibly stable gameplay, completely free from any internet lag or connection drops that can disrupt online matches. Offline play is also ideal for situations where you have limited or no internet access, such as during travel or in areas with poor connectivity. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the game anytime, anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.